The era of the tablet is officially over. For years, we've been told that a tablet is just a companion device, something you use to watch Netflix on a plane or scroll through Twitter in bed. We were told that if you wanted real work done, you needed a laptop. If you wanted power, you needed a desktop. But as we sit here in 2026, Samsung is about to prove that everything we thought we knew about mobile computing was wrong. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. It isn't just a bigger screen. It is a declaration of war. It's a device designed to make the iPad Pro look like a digital photo frame and the MacBook Air look like a relic of the past. If you've been waiting for the moment when Android finally takes the crown in the premium workstation space, that moment has arrived. And if you're even considering buying a new device right now, you need to stop. Because what Samsung is about to drop is going to reset the entire industry. Let's talk about the screen, because that's where the magic starts. We've seen OLEDs before, but you've never seen anything like the tandem Ultra OLED panel on the S12 Ultra. For the first time, Samsung has eliminated the notch. The dual 12-megapixel front-facing cameras are now completely invisible, hidden under the display using UDC 2.0 technology. When the screen is on, it is a 14.6-inch sea of pixels with zero interruptions. We are talking about a peak brightness of 3000 nits. You could take this tablet out into the middle of the Mojave Desert at high noon, and the HDR content would still look punchy and vibrant. This isn't just a display, it's a portal. But beauty is nothing without brains. Under the hood, the Tab S12 Ultra is a monster. Rumors from the supply chain have confirmed that Samsung is bypassing the standard chips to use a custom-tuned Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. This silicon is built on a 2-nanometer process that shouldn't even exist yet. But here's the kicker. The benchmarks are leaking, and they aren't just beating the M4 iPad Pro. They are breathing down the neck of the M5. We are talking about 24 gigabytes of LPDDR6 RAM on a tablet. That is more memory than most people have in their professional video editing rigs. Why does a tablet need 24 gigs of RAM? Because of neural DeX. DeX has always been Samsung's secret weapon. But in 2026, it has evolved into something entirely different. Neural DeX uses the onboard AI processing to turn your tablet into a true desktop environment that learns how you work. It doesn't just show windows, it manages them. It predicts which apps you'll need next. It can run a full version of Linux or a virtualized Windows environment without breaking a sweat. For the first time, laptop replacement isn't a marketing buzzword, it's a reality. You can edit 8K footage in LumaFusion while running a complex 3D render in the background, all while staying on a Zoom call. This is the power that Apple refuses to give you on the iPad because they want you to buy a MacBook too. Samsung doesn't care about your laptop. They want the Tab S12 Ultra to be the only device you ever need. And then there's the build. For 2026, Samsung is moving away from aluminum and adopting grade 5 titanium. The S12 Ultra is thinner than ever, clocking in at just 5.4 millimeters, but it feels like a solid block of metal. It's rigid, it's premium, and it finally has the structural integrity to match its massive size. But despite the titanium, they've managed to keep the weight down, making